National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County, west central Cumberland County, Hope County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Southern Pines, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Southern Pines, Rayford, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Antioch, Pope Air Force Base, Pope Mills, and Spring Lake. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Polk, and Moore.